Are you looking for details on water softeners in Wynyard? A water softener is a special type of filter that eliminates calcium and magnesium in hard water and replaces them with sodium through the ion exchange system. Since calcium and magnesium interfere with the action of soaps and detergents while sodium does not, a water softening system is important to ensure detergents are able to eliminate dirt and oil stains more effectively. It also provides a slippery feel to the skin when you wash. Components of a water softener. A water softener is made up of three major components: a resin or mineral tank, a control valve, and a salt water tank. The mineral tank is the area where water softening takes place and incoming water passes through plastic-like beads also known as resin and made of polystyrene. These beads have a charge that is negative, attracting calcium and magnesium from the water since they are positively charged. The attraction ensures calcium and magnesium adheres to the plastic beads as water flows through the tank. As the water gets to the bottom area of the tank, softening would have taken place. The softened or conditioned water now passes through a riser tube and outlet manifold, before it is distributed through a cold water pipe to the house. Ring our company today for further details on water softeners in Wynyard.